To the pool we go as Jamaican swim star Alia Atkinson secured double gold at match 9 of the International Swim League in Naples, Italy to improve her standings in the league MVP rankings. Atkinson, competing for London Roar, sped to 29.48 seconds to win the women's 50-meter breaststroke ahead of Benedetta Pileto of Energy Standard 30.13 and Dominica Tandera of Toronto Titans 30.31.
I'm going to take him back for London. Look at Atkinson get the win. How big of a jackpot will this be for London? 19 points scored by the Roar.
The world record holder capped off another outstanding showing in the league by returning to win the 100-meter breaststroke. She clocked 1 minute 04.09 to dominate the event and win ahead of Evgenia Chukumnova of Energy Standard 1 minute 04.82 and teammate Annie Lazar 1 minute 05.66 seconds.
It's all Atkinson. Nobody close.
And the question is, will it be a big jackpot? The jackpot time, 2.2 seconds. Chicanova surging now for second, but Atkinson gets the win for the 8th time. Annie Lazar will finish third.
Atkinson is currently 5th on the league MVP table with 42.5 points, while her teammate, or team London Roar, is occupying 5th place in the 10-team competition with 10 points behind leaders Cali Condors 15 points. The regular season will end on Thursday, September 30 with match 11 and will be followed by the semi-final playoffs in November and the final in January 2022.